Good afternoon. Ngayon po ay May 18, 2024 Saturday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 p.m. draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2 p.m. draw result ngayong May 18, 2024 Saturday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 2 p.m. 3D Lotto 2 p.m. draw result ngayong Saturday, May 18, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 2 p.m. 'See you again later for 5 p.m. draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for May 18, 2024, Saturday. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Lotto 642 is 5.9 million pesos and Grand Lotto 655 estimated jackpot price is 53 million pesos for Saturday, May 18, 2024. Thank you for watching this 2 p.m. video for afternoon of May 18, 2024, Saturday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.